Now, Konstantinos, new association, LPI.
Hello to all. I'm Konstantinos Boukouvalas. I'm the LPI guy for Greece. And I'm very happy to be here at openSUSE conference, since I was also a member of the primitive openSUSE community at 2004. But today I'm here with my LPI ID. I'm the operational manager for LPI Greece, which represents LPI in Greece from 2010. By affiliation, with my affiliation with a Greek Pan-Hellenic organization, non-profit, which promotes GNU Linux and also GNU Linux certification. My speech is about GNU Linux certification value and the connection between the LPIC 1 and CLA. Of course, as you might know, today we are going to make this cooperation with Hewlett-Packard Hellas. Okay, why somebody to get certified? Linux is about 20 years old. So all these years, it conquered the server and LAMP solutions in the whole internet. So there is much workforce, there are much servers, many servers, and people who like to demonstrate their knowledge and documentate this knowledge. Because it's something different to say that, okay, I can do this, but it's something different to can do, actually. The administration and the handling of them. So, in general, we will analyze of the reasons what are actually the benefits of the LPIC certification. So, the three basic benefits. These are described also at the LPI website, if you visit it. It's vendor independent. So you don't have to stick on a distro. Okay, I use this evil Ubuntu distribution on my laptop. It's because I'm lazy. But you can stick whenever you want and study and try to learn about Linux in every distro. On the other hand, we are open. We are open to cooperations. Like at the past with Ubuntu Canonical, there was the Ubuntu Professional Certification that stopped because Canonical wanted to make its own certification. The CompTIA connection, and the SUSE CLA, of course, on which I will discuss details later. And the second is that LPI, as a member of the International Training Corporation, with a huge list of companies like Hewlett-Packard, Oracle, like SUSE, and of course other profit and not profit open source companies. Even with the antagonists, let's say Red Hat, or even with the evil Microsoft. All corporations which relate to a certification are members of the ITCC, and they discuss and grow the IT certifications. It's important to have a dialogue, a constant dialogue, in order to see where the market goes. So, still, the LPI is an independent, non-profit corporation which has evolved out of the Linux community, and this is mirrored at the exam development. The exam development is being done by the community. There is also a list at the LPI list, the LPI exam dev, where you can see it's the most active list of LPI, and constantly there are suggestions about what should be documented, like knowledge, like having this knowledge on the certification. So, the additional benefits for a professional and for his company also. It's the low cost. The maximum cost for the LPI 301 is 232 euros. This is the market price. The exam lab price, of course, is different. It's lower. It's about 150 euro. So this brings together LPI and the community, because we know that many people in the Linux community are students, are enthusiasts, are university academic that probably don't have so much money to invest on a certification. So we lower the cost as much as and then also there are vouchers through LPI Marketplace, which is run by PearsonView, the company that manages many exams all over the world, including LPI exam in so there is a huge network that you can use and take an LPI test. So if somebody takes 101 in one country, can go to an exam lab in the neighbor country, take 102, and have the LPIC 1. Except this, we have the exam lab possibility if there is a master affiliate in one country, like here in Greece. Yesterday, there was exam lab at Artemis room, and there was 2 candidates who took LPIC 1. And we create events and various like this or and probably we will get going to more and more events. And of course, there is huge independent bibliography on all levels. You can find a huge resource on the internet. Also, GNU FDL bibliography that you can change, and you can create your own versions. Like the one we have uploaded on LPI Greece website from Paul Paolito. Paul Paolito is a website where you can actually see the process in a CSD language, CSD educational language, I mean, with clouds and lines, all this stuff. So there is a huge bibliography, and you can read and study alone, and don't need to go to some cram school and pay more for education. So also the LPI as an international organization all seeks for that promote the growth of jobs, and that's the point, after all, to get a job in IT industry. So there is a job initiative together with Odesk. Odesk is a job finder. You can go to lpi.org and see available jobs there, and soon I hope to have this Odesk also on LPI Greece website, and submit jobs in Greek IT industry. Master affiliate all over the world, as previously noted. and promotion through master affiliate stories, like the recent one where in Athens we had the first LPIC 3 certified man in Greece. It was a guy who unfortunately job and they still LPIC 3, which probably 10 to 20 people all over the world have this certification. As it was logical, I created a story on the LPI Greece website at that guy because it was worthy to be such a story. So, at the main point of this presentation, we are on openSUSE conference. When you get an LPIC 1 certification, you automatically can fill a form and get the SUSE certification at no additional cost or exams. Just fill the form. This is great because it can drive you on a path. Which path? This path. You get with LPI and then you can continue and be a Novell certified Linux professional and Novell certified Linux engineer. And these maybe are not correlated to LPI, but Novell and the group that Novell is a part of promote also the LPIC 3 certification taking, and they seek talented administrators and Novell engineers. So this is very good for everyone in the openSUSE community because it gives a professional path and probably a job tomorrow. So, talking about jobs, we are here also to announce this great partnership with Hewlett-Packard, which came out at the third year of our present period. This is already and the Hewlett-Packard will integrate more the LPI certification in their educational programs and promote the professionalism in Linux with various tools as the Rail educational platform. They have 2 labs. Of course, all these are for corporate corporations, corporate partnerships. So you can't just go to Hewlett-Packard and say, I want to take an exam for LPI. It's the reference is about companies. So if you are on a company already, you can just push your employer to try and have an HP exam up, probably with others, and let me. Okay. So, the future. We talked about the SLA, the jobs with Odesk and jobs probably in the future with Hewlett-Packard. What about the lower level? Okay, we know that there are talented professionals in Linux, but there are also people who just now are going to learn about this operating system, and there is lack of education on a low level. This lack was fulfilled in 2012 with Linux Essentials certification, which is a basic certification for Linux. It's like talking about the ECDL for Linux. It's about theory, finding your way in Linux system, and command line basics, basic applications like LibreOffice, and the first steps on security and file permissions. So this is the new program of LPI, and it runs now a year. So if you are going to take your first steps in Linux and want something just to show on your bio, this is for you. And the last part is that the Linux state-recognized certification. This is a challenge. This is a challenge because of the huge bureaucracy. We have the market value. What about public administration? There is a law. This law describes exactly what somebody should know about computers. This is crazy. But still, it exists, and it's a work that has to be done in order to promote Linux in public administration. Because it's another thing to say that, okay, this is a market certification, and another thing to say that this certification is a paper that they can give you the right and the proper papers, and you are going to have a great opportunity to get into the public administration. Not so in Greece, but it's not about the working on the public, in the Greek public administration. As you know, there is a problem, but mostly about the promotion of Linux in public administration generally in Europe. So this was my speech. I apologize for any mistakes on English language, but hope you find it interesting. If you have any questions on Linux certifications, I'd like to... No? Okay. It's okay.
Drift deeper. We drift deeper into the sound. Life goes on. We drift deeper into the sound. Feel strong. So bring it on. So bring it on. We drift deeper into the sound. Life goes on. We drift deeper into the sound. Feel strong. So bring it on. So bring it on.
Here to help me is my lovely assistant, my twin brother.
Μάλλον, ναι.
Ai random scrivi Luca Pescore.